on Central, followed by the series premiere of Twisted, only on ABC Family.
Mommy is guarding. She is not happy with me being over here. But there they are. Our little babies underneath the shelves. Let's see if you can get them to come out. Peekaboo, babies. Peekaboo.
Did you see the way she looked at me?
Peekaboo, come on.
Poor guy. I understand. It ain't easy being banished. Take my buddy Bigfoot. When he was banished, he fastened an enormous...
All right, Mama, all right. There's Mama, looking in the background. Not happy with me.
You know, I mean, how lucky can you get? Banished with your best friend.
He is not my friend.
Oh, I just assumed you were buddies, you know, when I saw you out there in the snow.
Oh, babies.
That big jerk.